Hi chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some spicy basil noodles. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have some dry basil leaves, some onion powder, some garlic powder, 1 box of thin spaghetti, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some minced garlic, some freshly picked basil leaves, as well as some fresh parsley. I'm bringing half of a pot of water to a boil and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of salt. This will prevent the noodles from sticking together. First, I need to prep all my ingredients. I'm starting off by finely chopping my basil leaves as well as my parsley.
Say hello, but I already know how it'll go. Small talk, but it's a big deal to me. I get in my feelings too fast.
Now that my water is ready, I'm going to add half of my box of thin spaghetti into the water, and I'm going to keep my spaghetti whole. I'm not going to break them in half. I'm giving my spaghetti a quick stir and I'm going to allow it to cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until I'm able to pinch my spaghetti. I'm giving it a quick stir and I'm going to give it a pinch test. Since the first pinch test failed, let's try this a second time. So after this pinch test, my noodles are ready to be drained. I'm going to drain them over some cool water and I'm going to let them sit. For my next step, I'm melting my 3 tablespoons of butter into a large pan on medium heat. And I'm using my spatula to move the butter around. Then I'm going to mix in my chopped basil leaves as well as some dry basil leaves. I'm also going to sprinkle lightly my onion powder as well as my garlic powder.
What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself and it's sad. You're like faker, act like better, but I can feel it, 'cause it's so obvious.
For my next ingredient, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and I'm going to use my spatula to mix all the ingredients together, and I'm going to allow it to cook for about half a minute to a minute.
Place for you. Just be your own. Don't be
Next, I'm adding a pinch of salt as well as my chopped parsley, and I'm going to spread the chopped parsley evenly throughout the butter sauce. My sauce is ready, so I'm going to add my drained spaghetti to that sauce. I am making sure to spread the basil sauce evenly throughout the spaghetti. I'm lightly sprinkling some extra dry basil, as well as a little bit of the juice that came in the minced garlic. And I'm going to mix in those two last ingredients. I'm going to simmer it on low for about a minute while stirring it occasionally. So guys, these are my spicy, tasty basil noodles, and I serve them with some Obe buttered shrimps. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.